YouTube channel. Team Propel Guru is back with one more exclusive piece of news for you from the world of WhatsApp. So, without any further ado, let's dive into the video directly. Well, this time WhatsApp has announced a new feature allowing users to restore their deleted messages just by clicking on the undo option. The latest upcoming update is under the beta testing phase. The latest features and update will be introduced to improve the user experience. The update has much needed after tons of user requests for accidentally deleting messages. Because of the absence of any recovery option, retrieving those lost or deleted messages was quite difficult. Moving on, let's see what is the new feature. The latest feature is Undo Delete for Me. This feature is currently in beta version and will be accessible to everyone soon. Now, you must be thinking about how this will work. Let's suppose that you deleted a message accidentally using the option Delete for Me. In that case, WhatsApp will display a notification for a couple of seconds, which will be read like Message deleted for me, undo. Since the warning will be visible only for a few seconds, the user will have to click on the undo feature within that time range to get the message retrieved. The option is useful mainly in case when a user wants to delete a message for everyone but clicks on delete for me by mistake. The same feature is not applicable if a user deletes a message for everyone. The new WhatsApp feature is also expected to be available for Android users in the coming time. So, that's all we have for today. We will be back with another exciting piece of news and updates soon. Till then, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep yourself updated with more such news from the digital landscape. Thank you.